Well, tomorrow, the Fort Wayne Air Show returns to the 122nd Fighter Wing.
That is where Wayne 15's Michael Kuhn is this morning, getting an up-close look at some of the planes and preparations.
Pat and Alyssa, good morning. For the first time since 2016, pilots from all over the country will take to the skies over Fort Wayne to put on a show that you won't soon forget. Joining us this morning is Colonel Kyle Noel, the director of this year's air show. Thanks for being here with us this morning. Kind of give us a rundown of what this show is all going to entail and what people are going to want to check out if they come here.
Okay, well, thanks for having me this morning. We got a great action-packed weekend set up for everybody here in the community. We enjoy fantastic support from Fort Wayne. This is our way to show some appreciation back, open up the base, and let them see it. So we're going to start off this evening down at Tin Caps Field. We're going to celebrate D-Day, the celebration of 75 years ago yesterday, storming the beach in Normandy. Celebrate that greatest generation, our Gold Star families. We got fireworks, aerobatics, SOCOM jumping into the stadium, Mason-Dixon line, and much more. It's free, open to the public. Be there at 5 o'clock. And then tomorrow morning is when the big show starts. We're getting ready today. 8 o'clock the gates will open. That's free to the public as well. Get out here early. The flying will start about 11. We've got lots of acts lined up for you. We've got old-fashioned warbirds flying. We got current military aircraft flying and doing demonstrations. Lots of top-line civilian performers, and we're going to end the show with the Thunderbirds, United States Air Force Thunderbirds. Lots of other things to see on the ground as well. Park right here at the airport. You can come in off Airport Expressway to Smith Road, and there's parking up to the northwest with a short bus ride, or come in over on Winters Road, and there's parking right there on the south side of the base that you can walk on. Everything you need to know about that and what you can and can't bring, the stuff you want to bring along with you, is all on our website, fwairshows.com.
All right, well, great. And, you know, you've been working on this for months to get this going. What's it taken to kind of arrange this all? It's been 3 years since the last one. What have you been doing to get ready?
It's busy. It's a big logistical push. We're expecting upwards of 35,000 people out here a day to come and see the base and see the air show. Mr. Mike Guloff with Fort Wayne Air Show, Inc., he's our lead. He raises all the money that we get to throw this show, quite frankly, is from the generosity of our own community and businesses. And then I have a great team of 1,000 airmen out here that just, my job's easy as a director. I watch really amazing airmen put this all together. They pick up different sections of it, team leads, run with it, get their volunteers, and it'll be a well-oiled machine when the gates open tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.
All right, well, thank you so much, Colonel, for being here with us this morning. Best of luck with the show. We're very excited for it. If you want to check out that celebration at Parkview Field tonight, that starts at 5 o'clock. We have all the information you need to know about the air show, times, location, where to park, and some tips for you in this story on Wayne.com. Just search for Air Show. We're live at the 122nd this morning. Michael Kuhn, Wayne 15 News.